Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can sort of remove and add in another background to your videos or your photos on CapCut. So select the clip and you are going to choose remove background and remove background, and wait for it to generate. I don't know why it says recovering. And then after that, you are going to go to canvas background, and here you can select the background you want. You can also use your own photos for it too, and you can even just choose a plain color for the background, but I like this one. As you can see, you can add in your own image. Press the checkmark button and you can even resize your video to fully fit the frame. And that's it. Super simple, but I do hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.